welcome to Edmodo's Quick Start Guide by Eastern Connections. This is the interface that you see when you log in. There's two sections to look at. The direct section shows all the messages sent directly to you.
When you click everything, you see all the conversations between all your students.
Let's get started with the rest. Across the top, we have Note, Alert, Assignment, and Poll, and those are the main ways you'll interact with students in Edmodo.
You can also upload a file, insert a link, or show something from your Edmodo library. Click Send when you're ready to send your message.
Okay, so over on the left under your picture, you have all the different groups that you've created. For me, these are all my different classes. If you want to create a group, you simply click Create. You name the group, then you can choose a grade, and you can choose the subject area to which you are teaching.
Later on, you'll see how to also set up subgroups.
Okay, let's look back at each group. For each group, you can click the name of the group and you'll see all of the conversation going on between the group and you. You'd also get to see what interaction the other students were doing with each other. For each group, this is a choice. When you're on the group's page and you want to send a message, the group's name is already in the send square. Now, what do all these things mean? We have settings, members, feeds, public, archive, and delete. Under settings, you're going to get the code that the students will need to log in when they first get assigned to the group. That's the code they'll need when they initially sign up. They can enter a username, no spaces allowed. They can change the password. In my case, we used our student ID numbers. Email is optional, and then a first and last name. When you click on Feeds, this is where you can add a live feed from another website. You simply get the RSS feed address, put it in, click Subscribe. Now when the kids go on, it'll be a part of their message. You can also archive or delete groups.
Hi there, Jane. I heard Miss Tech Teacher has a cool new Web 2.0 tool for us to use in class.
Hey Kaya. Yes. It's called Edmodo. It's pretty cool actually.
What's it like?
It kind of looks like Facebook. It's cool cause it lists our assignments. Lets us talk to the teacher and each other. I like it.
Wow. Sounds pretty cool. I guess I will get to see it when I have technology class. See you later.
Peace.
Okay, let's look at the actual text box, message box that gets sent out. You can delete a post, edit a post, or open a post in a different window. Let's look at how to add an assignment. Click on Assignment, and you're going to add a title, and you're going to describe the assignment as well. You can list the due date. You can also attach a file, a link, or something from your library. I'm going to attach the rubric. Once you're ready to send out your assignment, you have to choose the group that you want to send it to. Once you send it, you can see what it looks like for your students. We now have the title, the due date, a description, and when you click the picture, a rubric. Another thing you can do is send out a poll. This might be wise in the beginning of the year or whenever you have just a few questions you want to ask your students. The default is 2 answers, but you can always add more. Again, when you click send, it'll ask you to choose who you want to send it to. I'm sending this question to all my students.
Well, that's the Edmodo Eastern Connections Quick Start Guide. We hope you enjoyed and learned a lot. Bye!